Hi, in this video I'm going to show you how to get YouTube API key for free. So in order to do this, go to the search bar and type in Google Cloud Console. Hit enter and click on console.cloud.google.com, Google Cloud Platform. When you click on this button, you'll be taken to this page. Here, you'll have to make sure you are logged in using a user credential. After you'll be logged in, you'll have to simply click on the three-line icon and choose API and services. Now choose library. Here, you're going to search for YouTube. So search for YouTube and hit enter and you will see the API library. Here, click on YouTube Data API v3. Now when you choose this, you'll have to simply click on enable button that will be available instead of manage. Now, I've already done this, that's why this says API enable, but if you haven't done so, you will see manage option. So you can click on manage option and you'll be taken to this page. Here, this says enable APIs and services. Now as you can see, this is YouTube Data API. Click on credentials option and you'll be taken to this page. Or you can also click on credentials option and you'll be taken to this page. And here what you're going to simply do is click on create credential. Choose API key and here name your API key anything you want. So I will enter YouTube. I'll choose website and here I will enter www.youtube.com. Now scroll down and click on create. You can choose to restrict the key or not. You can click on select API and choose what kind of API you want and click on OK. Now click on create. After you do this, you will instantly get your YouTube API key in no time. As you can see, it is available just right here. So that's a simple way through which you can do this. If you found this guide helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and thanks for watching.